foggy day here because it's going to rain again. Oh, so kain tayo. May breakfast ako ngayon. Tingnan nyo, ang dami. Tsaka mayroon akong coffee, of course. Good morning, guys. Okay, maghintay muna ako kung may papasok bago ako pag-usapan natin yung si Attorney Zia na tumatakbong konsihal sa congressman ba? District 1 na ginawang joke ang mga single parents. Okay, let's talk about him. Kain muna tayo. Pasok, pasok. Morning. Good evening sa ibang lugar kung saan kayo. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Okay, let's wait for somebody to go in. Wala pa akong view. Wake up, wake up. Have your breakfast. Sorry about that. Mag-comment lang ako ng ilang minutes. Labas naman kayo dyan, guys.